Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on screensaver in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To access our screensaver options, we have to go to Settings, then in Display menu here, we have to go all the way down and we have at the very bottom Screensaver. By default it's turned off, but let's turn on, for example, colors option. Preview. How does it look like? It's just changing colors in this example. Yes, unlock please, and that's about it. We can also use a photo table, so it will show photos from our gallery. We have to allow this option. Yes, photo frame, sorry. Preview. I don't think we have a lot of photos in our gallery. Our our mat is in our gallery. Okay, so let's go back to colors, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Goodbye.